If you've been seeing Zova Hair Growth Balm on social media, you may be wondering whether it can actually help with hair growth or if the advertising is making bigger promises than the evidence supports. Zova is marketed as a nourishing hair balm made with 7 cold-pressed oils, including rosemary, pumpkin seed, coconut, castor, batana, argan, and black seed oils. The website says it can nourish the scalp, strengthen weak strands, reduce breakage, restore shine, and support thicker, fuller-looking hair. It also claims a 4.8 out of 5 rating from more than 23,500 verified customers. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. One thing to be careful about is the advertising you may see on social media. Some promotional videos can use heavily edited footage, staged results, or even AI-generated content, so it's difficult to know whether the people and results shown actually represent real customers. Before and after photos can also be misleading because lighting, camera angles, hair styling, and hair condition can make a major difference. Real clinical evidence is much more useful than promotional images alone. Another concern is the difference between making hair look healthier and actually regrowing lost hair. Zova says it supports thicker and fuller-looking hair, but there doesn't appear to be strong clinical evidence showing that the complete Zova formula can reliably regrow hair in people experiencing hair loss. Rosemary oil is also worth mentioning. There is some research investigating rosemary oil and hair growth, but that doesn't automatically prove that Zova's specific combination of 7 oils will produce the same results. The same applies to ingredients like castor, pumpkin seed, argan, and black seed oils. They may provide conditioning or moisturizing benefits, but having 7 oils doesn't mean there are 7 clinically proven hair growth benefits. The website also features testimonials mentioning baby hairs and visible improvements within 4 to 6 weeks. That's a significant claim because hair growth depends on many factors, including genetics, hormones, nutrition, age, and the reason behind the hair loss. Testimonials alone can't prove that the balm caused those results. So, is Zova Hair Growth Balm legit or a scam? Based on these points, we can't say it's definitely a scam. The oils may help condition the scalp and hair and reduce breakage, but consumers should be careful about interpreting those benefits as proven hair regrowth. If you're dealing with significant or ongoing hair loss, it's important to understand the underlying cause rather than relying only on a cosmetic hair balm.